Realize.
Sinigyan ko photo niyo.
Wait. G?
Anong kailangan nyo?
Ayan, para naman, Jelly.
Kigoy?
Nasaan si Kigoy?
Ay, umihi siya.
So, bato na.
Nasa CR po.
Really? That's it?
Bigoy.
Ayan.
Take time to realize
Tapos D.
that you're wanting.
Tapos
Crashing down on it.
Okay, I got it.
ulitin mo lang. G?
Wait, my G is like this.
Yeah, it's fine. Just leave this.
Take time to realize that
Crashing down
D. Yun.
Rizon, ako yung Rizon.
G. Tapos D.
then
D.
what?
Oh?
G.
D. Tapos ito. D. Tapos crashing down. Oh, ito. Tapos ito. Oh,
Tapos ito.
Tapos D ulit. Tapos G na. Ay, hindi. Yun. Tapos D. Tapos itong dalawa na.
Okay, so take time to realize. Oh,
Sige, tama.
already?
Yeah.
Take time to realize. Oh, realize is on.
Oo. Ay, tama ba?
No.
Sige.
Take time to realize.
Ito. Ito muna. Yan. Ito. Tapos D. Yun. Tapos D. I'm not a good teacher. Let me see.
I don't know what this
Oh.
is. I don't know.
I'm tired.
G.
If I sit, I'm just gonna fall asleep.
Biglang maginaw.
Okay, so it's bum.
Boom down and
Okay. And then what's the chorus?